Henan Hangnei Engine Machinery Co., Ltd. is a modern professional enterprise engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, sale and service of automotive engines and auto parts. Located in Jingzhou, the middle of China, the headquarters covers about 1,480,046 square meters and enjoys convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Hangnei Engine owns an experienced service team offering the customer free design and professional skill training and live guide for installation and debugging. The company's service networks have spread all over the country, established client files and mixed the traditional door-to-door service with online service. Together complementary the advantages Hangnei Engine has: 1. High recognition from clients dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members always ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have got ISO 9001 certification. The company products remain the international high level by strengthening international exchanges and cooperation all the time, and have won a wide range of international markets such as Russia, Peru, Kazakhstan, Turkey, Kuwait, South Africa, Egypt, Vietnam, Malaysia, India, Australia, Korea, Canada and European Union etc. Engine believes the value of brand which originates from not only excellent products and solutions, but also considerate pre-sales and after-sales technical services. We can undertake both OEM and ODM orders. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us for further success.